Welcome back, my students. We were discussing how to represent irrational numbers on number line. How to represent root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, etc. Okay, we already learned one general method. We have another general method 2, root of an odd number. The strategy is look 1 square minus 0 square, the answer is 1. 1 square is 1, 0 square is 0, 1 minus 0, the answer is 1. 2 square minus 1 square, 2 square is 4, 1 square is 1, the answer is 3. 3 square minus 2 square. 3 square is 9. 2 square is 4. The answer is 5. 4 square minus 3 square. The answer is 4 square is 16. 3 square is 9. 16 minus 9. The answer is 7. Similarly, 5 square minus 4 square is 9. 6 square minus 5 square is 11. And this is going on. If I take the square of two adjacent natural numbers, we will get an odd number. Not only that, we will get each odd number. So how this helps to draw an irrational number? That's what we are discussing. Suppose I want to represent root 7 on number line. Yes, 7 is an odd number, so we can use this strategy as I said. But how? I will take this identity. 4 square minus 3 square is equal to 7. So I want to represent root 7 on number line. 4 square minus 3 square is equal to 7. This is what I am taking. How it helps. Understand, I can write this equation as 4 square minus 3 square equal to 7. I can write it like root 7 square. Square root square will get cancelled. Root 7 4 square minus 3 square is root 7 square. Or otherwise the same equation I can write like 4 square equal to 3 square coming to the right side. 3 square plus root 7 square. Once again, maybe you are wondering how can I use this to draw an irrational number root 7? Point is, if I have a right angled triangle with base 3 and hypotenuse 4, then automatically the altitude will be root 7. You didn't get it right. Okay, I'm drawing a figure. What I'm trying to say is, look, 4 square plus 4 square is equal to 3 square plus root 7 square. And what is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. What I'm trying to say is when I'm taking hypotenuse as 4 centimeter, base as 3 centimeter, automatically altitude will be root 7 centimeter. Altitude will be root 7 centimeter. We can use this strategy to draw any irrational number with the root of an odd number form. Suppose the question is represent root 11 on number line. Which equation I will use? This one, 6 square minus 5 square equal to 11. 6 square minus 5 square is equal to 11. And that 11 I can write it like root 11 square. So 6 square is equal to 5 square plus root 11 square. If I am taking hypotenuse as 6, base as 5, automatically altitude will be root 11 centimeter, root 11 unit. Okay. With the proper example, you will understand, I guess. Locate root 17 on number line. How can I represent root 17 on number line? Previously, I have an identity 6 square minus 5 square equal to 11. Continue this. I need root 17. 7 square minus 6 square will be 13. 8 square minus 7 square will be 15. 9 square. What is 9 square minus 8 square? 9 square minus 8 square. 9 square is 81. 8 square is 64. If I subtract them, I will get 17. What I'm trying to say is 9 square minus 8 square is root 17 whole square. What does that mean? 9 square is equal to minus 8 square coming to the right side plus 8 square. 8 square plus root 17 square. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus altitude square. So what I'm trying to say is if the hypotenuse is 9, base ends 8, automatically altitude will be root 17. In order to locate root to 70 on number line, what will be my rough figure? My rough figure. I have a right angle triangle with hypotenuse is 9, base is 8. So hypotenuse is 9, base is 8. Automatically altitude will be root to 17 according to Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Okay. So I'm my aim. If I have a right angle triangle and base 8, hypotenuse 9, automatically altitude will be root to 17. If I got root 17, I can represent. I can use this information to draw it on a number line. So it's time to draw the original figure. So original figure. What's first? We have to draw number line first. So draw a number line. Okay, it's time to draw number line, and I got a line, and I'm taking one unit as zero point 0.5 centimeter. Okay, that depend upon our situation. So I'm marking each zero point 0.5 centimeters. Okay, somewhere here I'm giving 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, etc. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, etc. Minus 9. Okay, it was possible I can take a little bit more as one unit, but it's completely fine. So in order to get BC as root 17, I will consider this 0 as B. So automatically what will be A? 8 unit left toward. 8 unit left toward. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. 8 unit left toward. This point is A. So I got A, B as 8 unit. Now at B, I need a 90 degree. So how can I draw 90 degree? The strategy is using protractor. Take out your protractor from your geometry box. Mine is here. So draw 90 degree at 0 or at B. Okay. Done it. Now what did I got? I got a 90 degree line from B. In order to get C, AC should be 9 unit. So take your compass and take 9 unit in compass. Yes, now it is 9 unit. Mark 9 unit from A. So the compass needle at A and mark 9 unit. Yes, I got it. All this will be 9 unit from A. So when it comes to this point, that point is our C. And not only that, AC is 9 unit. Yes, AC is a 9 unit I drawn it. So this one is 9 unit. A, B is 8 unit. Automatically, BC will be root 17 according to Pythagoras theorem. Now I got BC on line. BC I got it as root 17. If I got root 17, marking it on number line is simple. Take your compass and take this root 17 on compass. Okay, I got root 17 on compass. Now if I mark right toward, that will be root 17. If I mark the same left toward, that will be minus root 17. So this point is root 17. This point is minus root 17. The question is just drawing root 17. So understand this is my point. How can I understand whether my answer is correct or not? Root 17. I know root 16 is 4. Root 25 is 5. So root 17 is between 4 and 5. And it will be nearer to 4. Look, in my answer, it is more than 4 and nearer to 4. When it comes to negative root 17, it's more than minus 4 and a little bit more. So my answer is correct. Once again, I'm repeating the strategy. The strategy number 2 is if my question is root of an odd number, by this pattern, find squares, adjacent squares, whose difference is odd number. It will be adjacent square. So if it is root 7, I need, then I will write 4 square minus 3 square equals 7. What does that mean? If I have a right angle triangle with a hypotenuse 4, base 3, automatically height will be, altitude will be root 7. In our question, it was root 17. I took base 8, hypotenuse 9, automatically I got root 17. If we got root 17, we have compass. Using that compass, I can represent anywhere on number line. So I represented from 0 and I got root 17. Hope you understood the strategy. Hope you understood how it works. We'll discuss in the next video. Thank you all.